Hello everyone, welcome to today's trade recap for today. And yeah, we actually took two loss and one break even today. So that's a great L for the day, bro. That brought me down. That brought me down today. So let me quickly show you guys what I was thinking and my setup I actually took to actually I know I lost this trade. So today my bias was bearish, as you can see later on in the day. Market started dumping. This is the 1 minute time frame. So I actually learned my lesson. Next time I'm not going to trade the 1 minute. I think the 1 minute time frame is not for me. So I'll stop trading it because this is not the first time this kind of thing is happening. So I'll stop trading it for now. So I will continue aiming, looking at maybe the 3 minute or the 5 minutes. So I'm looking for confirmations in those time frames. So let me quickly tell you guys. Let me quickly show you guys when I posted this in my Discord group when I was saying the bias was gonna be bearish for today. So I say my bias for XAUUSD is gonna be bearish because price going to react off of the fair value gap to make a bearish SMT at the high. So I was waiting for an SMT right at this fair value gap because I saw an SMT right at Siva. So I was waiting for an SMT maybe on gold too. So I can take that. So my bias was bearish for the day. So I came into New York section. What did New York session do? New York session open. And before New York session, you can see market was just like ripping. It was ripping the fuck out. It was just you can see market was right here and it was going. So it actually passed that SMT and the fair value gap I was telling you guys about. So I trade this on Siva. As you can see this right on top of this left top. As you can see this. I took this on Siva, and why did I take this? So I saw an SMT right at this high right here. You can see. Let me spot that out for you guys real quick. So I saw an SMT. This trade, don't mind it. This trade is a I got break even. This was a trade I got break even, and I'm gonna talk about that. So I saw an SMT on these highs right here. As you can see, this is SMT. I saw an SMT on these highs. So I actually saw an SMT. So I was going for a shot. This is the SMT I saw first of all. This was the first SMT I saw. So I was still my bias was so strong, bro. I knew this shit was gonna dump. So I knew this shit was gonna sell. So I entered here. I entered off of this what they call it, this market structure shift. So I entered around this place because I was just waiting for a clean setup because I was trading on the 1 minute time frame. I was trying to like get new things. So I traded off of this market structure shift. I traded off of that. I can see I entered off of that. And the next thing, market just went down. I thought I was going I thought I was right at first, but the next thing, market started ripping and ripping and ripping. So it came up again, form another SMT. I thought I'm gonna be bearish again. I came to let me show you that SMT real quick. You can see the SMT right here. I saw another SMT and I took it. I took it. You can see the SMT. I actually took it. I went for a sell again right here because I saw that market was forming a lot of bearish candles. So I entered this and the next thing, immediately as I enter after the last candle, I got smoke, bro. You can see this. I got pushed to the upside. I thought this was gonna push downwards, but not it happened. And as you can see, market hit my stop loss once again. So let's move to the break-even trade I took today. So let me show you that on gold. So on gold, nothing really happened because it was same trade I took here. It was same trade I took here that happened here. Only that SMT happened. That market didn't push to the upside. Market didn't push very. It didn't rip higher. As you can see, yeah, market just continued being very sure. I hold my trade because I knew my bias for today is gonna be bearish, bro. I trust my bias, bro. Like you guys should be trusting your bias. Like never fail, bro. Never fails, bro. Trust your bias, bro. So I came into the I entered into the trade. Market was you can see at first market was like it was ripping up. I was thinking I'm gonna get stopped out, and the next thing market started displacing. I knew this was gonna be the one that's gonna hit TB, and the next thing price came here. I set my stop loss to break even, and the next thing price whip up and hit my break even and continues final move. As you can see, this trade actually hit TP. We hit full TP. I think this was around 9, and this like let me say a 4 hours trade. I'm not sure I can even hold that, bro. So that was the trade for today. So let me quickly show you guys the PNL so you guys can know I'm not joking. So I think we lost around I think I think we lost around $161 for today. That's what I think I lost today. So let me quickly show you guys. Okay, first of all, we lost $85. Then after that, we lost another $79. And what was the break even? The break even trade, I think we closed around $2. So today, I think today we're down 177. 177. We're down $177. So I think, what am I saying? $161. We're down $161. You can see our account balance is low. So this is the last day of the week, and this is the last day of the week for trading. This is not the last day of the week, totally. So we're trading. This is the last day of the week to trade. So I pray next week is gonna be a good week. And I actually streamed this live on YouTube. I didn't stream on Kick today. My Kick, I don't know what's wrong with it, bro. I streamed live on YouTube. Let me see if I can quickly show you guys that. So this was the trade I streamed live. You can see right here. I actually streamed live today on YouTube. So you guys should subscribe to the channel so you guys can get notified when I'm streaming live, so you guys can see how the setup is gonna be, so you guys can give me advice on what the market is gonna be. So let me wrap it up. So this is gonna be the end of today's recap. So if you got anything to tell me, if you know my mistake or you know what is killing me in the market, you can advise me, because I'm still a beginner trader. So you can advise me in the comment section, and I would love to hear you guys, and I would love that from you guys. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Peace.